Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to deactivate your Facebook account. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, go ahead and open up the Facebook app. And once done, go to the three horizontal lines, just tap on it. And then go ahead over to settings and privacy, then tap on settings. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, tap on Meta Account Center. And in here, we're going to find Manage Accounts. Okay, right here at the bottom. Just tap on it. Now here we have our Facebook account. Just tap on Manage at the top of it. And here we have two options. Okay, just basically tap on deactivation or deletion. And then in the next page, we have two options as well, which are deactivate and delete account. So just basically tap on deactivate. And by the way, deactivating your account is temporary. Your account and main profile will be deactivated in your name, and photos will be removed from most things you've shared. So just tap on continue, add in your password, and once that's done, select a reason why you wanted to deactivate your account, and after that, you should be good to go. And by the way, you'll still be able to use Messenger, okay, while your account is deactivated. And if you want to use your Facebook account like regularly, well, all you got to do is just log in with the same credentials, email, and password. And then after that, your Facebook account will be reactivated. And that's basically it. That's how you deactivate a Facebook account. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.